Hi, my name is Terry Poulias, sales engineer here at OPSWAT. Today I'm going to talk to you about how OPSWAT protects law enforcement critical CJIS data systems with a comprehensive cybersecurity platform providing multiple lines of defense across all levels of your IT and your CJIS OT systems. Let's take a look. Evidence collection is a very critical and vulnerable part of the component of law enforcement, and successful use of it can either prosecute or release individuals. This would not occur if the evidence was ever tampered with or compromised. So how would you collect and secure all the key evidence from a crime scene or property investigation? Our MetaDefender kiosk K2100 will scan, sanitize, and ingest all files from removable media, including mobile phones, at the point of an investigation, providing safe transport of the files into your CJIS OT environment via protected unidirectional gateway. We do this by using 38 antivirus engines, deep CDR, vulnerability assessment, and country of origin detection before those files can be moved into your secure CJIS network. So within your CJIS OT environment, how would you safely secure and store all of the evidence collected from these rugged field kiosks? All the collected evidence would live in your secure file solution called MetaDefender Vault, in an encrypted storage area, supervisorily monitored and controlled, preventing any evidence from being tampered, ensuring chain of custody and viability of the evidence. Vault also allows for external submissions of evidence, so as well journalists, civilians can upload their content to the Vault in a secure and to secure all the evidence and data pertaining to that case at hand. Vault also allows for external submissions of evidence as well. So consider journalists, civilians, they can now upload their content to the Vault to secure all evidence data pertaining to the case at hand. Now, to protect against outside threats in your CJIS OT environments are on a secure segmented network. So our unidirectional secure gateway ensures physically proven one-way communication so that your critical network is secure and compliant. This would allow for proper transport of all the evidence collected and be securely stored within your segmented CJIS OT environment with a secondary MetaDefender Vault system. So you're securing your evidence as one aspect. However, if your back-end IT system is not secure, then the evidence would still be at risk. You need to be able to securely access IT networks, CJIS resources, and applications, whether remote or on-site. MetaAccess, our secure access solution, provides compliance and posture checking to ensure that the endpoint that's trying to access the protected IT resource, in fact, is compliant within your security posture. With such features such as patch management, remote application removal, screensaver enforcement, screen capture and keylogger capabilities, which ensures that any collected evidence and data would not be manipulated by any malicious applications or even state actors trying to invalidate the evidence itself. So email is one of the most used forms of communication, and with that is the #1 attack vector used today by cybercriminals, exploiting file attachments and malicious code and phishing by ways of malicious links. Malicious code is often found within everyday use of files such as office documents, images, archives. Our solution takes advantage of our anti-phishing, deep CDR, and proactive DLP, along with 30 AV scanning engines to ensure that your files are safe to use whether your email is hosted in the cloud or on premises. So as you can see, our integrated platform is purpose-built for IT and CJIS OT systems, protecting your critical infrastructure, securing your networks and assets from malicious intent, and ultimately keeping the critical evidence in a safe and unaltered state to be used in the judicial system effectively. One altered piece of evidence can either release a criminal back into the streets or wrongly convict an innocent person. Allow OPSWAT to be your key to secure evidence from the point of collection to the judge and jury. Thank you.